I received quite a few questions if the ATGR djay Touch 1, which is my Bluetooth wireless do-it-yourself MIDI controller for DJs that costs under 30 bucks, if that can be connected to an iPhone or an iPad to control algorithm DJ on an iOS device. And the simple answer to that question is yes, you can. And in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do that. Make sure that you have the folder of the module that you downloaded on screen and go to the MIDI mapping folder, and within it go to the DJ Pro folder. Open a new Finder window, find the iOS device that must be connected to your computer, and in my case it's an iPad 2 terabyte, and go to the Files section within that device. There you will see DJ, and if you take the ATGR djay Touch 1 mapping to the DJ folder, then that's all there is to it. On the iOS device, restart DJ, which means swipe it up and start it yet again, and you'll be good to go. Now let me show you how you connect the djay T1 to the iPad or iPhone wirelessly in DJ. For that you need to go to the settings, and the settings are under this yellow button at the top of the screen. And within this screen at the right lower hand corner there is the settings screen, and within the settings screen you got the MIDI devices, and within the MIDI devices you've got the Bluetooth devices. And here you see a total of 3 ATGR djay Touch units that are available to connect. This is the demo I was holding in my hand. That the screens on those units will change because they will connect. There you are, and they are ready to be used within Algorithm DJ. If I load up tracks in the decks and I switch this one to stem control, then we are offered stem control right here. Now that is a little bit harder to see on this screen, but trust me, if I go to here, you can see that the yellow is lighting up for the microphone. But more fun is the X-Fader mode, which lets you start a deck, control the crossfader on the screen, as you can see right there, and stop the deck, cue the other deck, and start the other deck with full control over those decks. You can connect more than one djay Touch 1 to a single iPhone or iPad. I was able to connect up to 5 because then I run out of batteries, meaning that I had full control of the stems on both decks, the X-Fader and Hotcues, 8 for each deck. But you can make any combination you like. I hope you will have much fun using djay Touch 1 with Algorithm DJ for iOS. For now, thank you for watching. MixMasterG signing off.